Well, I've certainly never eaten as much tofu in all my life, but my roommate buys it, so I figure out new ways of creating something tasty. This time I marinated the firm tofu in lemon juice, and now I'm gonna bread it with some cornmeal and spices. I used celery seed, tarragon, garlic, a little bit more lemon juice, and salt and pepper. Normally, I have one hand that I use for the wet and a dry hand, but I got a little out of order because I ran out of counter space. So this is a little bit more messy than I'm used to. And now I have so much left over, I actually did this process twice. So I'm just dunking everything back into the egg wash and back into the breadcrumbs. The cornmeal that I'm using. And then I put these in the air fryer for about 15 minutes. I think at 370. I think they came out good, but if I had to do it again, I would marinate them overnight in the lemon juice because the lemon flavor really didn't come through as much as I had hoped.